Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients, and today you and I together will be making one of my favorite snacks, Sicilian spiced olives. Say that 5 times. Here's what you're going to need: garlic, olives, olive oil, and some mixed Italian spices. Okay, so because I like to give you options, my black olives, these are calamatas, are already done. I'm going to do some green olives. Purchased in a can, we're going to drain the liquid off as much as you can. I'm going to pour them into a bowl. May need a little bit of help. I like the ones with the pimento stuffed. You can purchase garlic stuffed. You can also purchase these already in oil and spices in the grocery store. However, unhealthy oils are often used, and they are so easy to make yourself. After you've poured your olives in a bowl, you're going to go ahead and take your olive oil, generously coat the olives. I'm going to use sliced garlic. I love this little tool, so I'm going to slice my garlic, and I'm going to use sliced garlic. However, pureed garlic and jarred, minced and chopped garlic are always available to you, and I'm going to use some dried Italian spices. Here's my secret. I never give this out, but I add fennel to this as well. It's already in here. So there's my secret. Now you have it. I put fennel in my Italian spice when I do my olives. Stir it up. And guys, just like that, your olives are ready. Bon appetit.